Welcome, in front of me is an OPPO Reno5, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through recovery mode and also remove a screen lock if you have one that you might not know. So let me quickly lock the device, and you can see that I do have a protection set right here. So I'm going to progress from here as though I don't know it. So hold the power key, swipe down to power it off, and once the device turns off you want to hold power key and volume down, both of them at the same time, so power and volume down. Now once you see the OPPO logo, keep holding for another like 4 seconds or so, and then let go and wait for the language selection to pop up. Okay, so from here, select your language. I'm gonna go with English, and you should then be in the recovery mode. So now what you want to do is simply tap on wipe data, and then make sure you tap on format data, because wipe data doesn't wipe crap. As you can see, it retains contact messages and photos, which I would consider to be some of the most important things to be wiped if you want to basically reset your device. So completely ignore existence of the first option, it is completely useless, and simply tap on the format data. And as you can see, it gives us some kind of pin to insert. The pin is going to be right here as the last one, and this pin always changes. So if I would leave this, so right now it's 1602, if I leave, go back, as you can see it's now completely different. So for you it's going to be also different. Obviously all you need to do is type it down here, so right now it's 9412, and voila. And we can now simply tap on format data. The process will begin. Now at this stage it is fairly quick, it will basically take like 5 seconds or so, and done. Now, come on. There we go. So as you can see, it pops up with the little window right here, wipe successful, so click on OK, and the device will automatically reboot and continue the process in the background. And now I will warn you that this will take a couple more minutes to complete, so it will look like the device is stuck or, well, doing nothing basically for this for the remainder of the time, till it boots up and shows us the Android setup screen. So while it's doing this, I'm just going to let it run and come back once it's finished. And as you can see now, the process is finished and you can set up your device as however you like. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.